Sir David Sarmiento Pumagas. Nice. Okay, let's see how he tira here. Kung paano niya bibirahin dito sa production category Pumagas. Rock B Pumagas.
Okay, you're down. We'd like to thank.
There you have it, Pumagas. Sir David, tira na. Nice. Woo! Grabe. Usok Pumagas, usok here. Grabe. So tapos na po pala mga production Pumagas, ay mga modified and extreme. So mamaya po dito Pumagas mag-i-speed. Shoutout Sir Adrian Palagas. Adrian, grabe. Dirty Lifestyle Pumagas. Like and share Pumagas and follow Pumagas Dirty Lifestyle. Grabe. Here we go Sir David. Dito. There you go. Sir David Pumagas. Nice one. Woo! Sir David Sarmiento Pumagas. Nice. Yan na Pumagas oh. Here we go. Something Del Monte Bulacan Pumagas. Grabe. Power man, power. Whoa! Speed man, speed. Nice one. Speed na dito Pumagas, speed na. Ayan o. Wow. Nice curve Pumagas. Nice. Nice one. Grabe. Wow. Sir DJ Pumagas. Grabe. Ang galing oh. Yan Pumagas oh. There you go. Approaching na po sa finish line Pumagas. Nice. Grabe. Uy. Nice one, nice one. Wow. Yan o, approaching na finish line na pumagas. Sir DJ, yan o. Nice, nice, nice. Alright.